Hi, I'm Yashaswini. CG operators manually review shipment documents, validate fields, and draft amendment emails. This is going to create delays, repetitive work, and multiple email cycles per shipment. I built an event-driven AI workflow that automatically extracts, validates, and cross-checks shipments documents and then generates a review-ready approval or amendment draft. CG operators review one structured outcome instead of manually reading every document. Incoming supplier emails trigger a multi-agent pipeline consisting of extractor, validator, and router, and a cross-validation of the agents. All the decisions are auditable, and every response requires human approval before sending. The result is faster shipment clearance, fewer amendment cycles, and complete human control over the critical decisions.
Yes, so I now would like to go through the code walkthrough as well as the UI walkthrough. As you can see, we can click on any of the shipments, process the shipments. It is going to go to GPT-4 and then it is going to constantly generate the reply for it. As we can see, it is draft amendment and it is going to validate all the three documents, which is supposed to be multi-doc. Then we have the discrepancy part. We can see which particular field was discrepancy found in. Then we can draft the reply and we can also edit the particular reply, and when we can also send the mock, but right now it is just going to be a mock demo. So moving forward, we can see that we have written agent never auto sends. It is going to be approved by CG only, and you can see that this is the email that has been sent actually. And now as we look at the shipments, we can find that there are going to be shipments which are going to be new in our queue as well as the pending ones. And then we can upload a particular document, like this is the previous flow from the part 1 only. We can upload a document and then validate it, extract it, and do the entire flow thing. And we have also updated the cost parameter. It is going to be shown in the UI constantly. We have the history, which is going to show how many docs were processed and what is the percentile of these. Then we have the NL query, which is basically converting any of the SQL to the natural language, and we can ask any of the things over here, and if it is able to query over the NovaDB table, then it gives us a good reply. These are the rules and these are basically the settings that are going to be present. Now let's go through the code walkthrough, that what is exactly happening. We have the cross validator, we have the extractor router validator like the last time. Then we have the models, which is the pydantic models that are present over here. We have included the watcher, which is the inbox thing, as well as in the infrastructure it remains the same, database and the llm.py. And we have added a few more functions to this, and the pipeline is going to be what the lang graph is giving us over here, and the pipeline.py is the exact same last time thing. And we have the multi-documentation extraction for that thing. We have also included this thing, and we are still synthetically generating the documents, which for which we have actually written the scripts. We can test across various scripts, and as you can see, this is the SQLite viewer, with the help of which we can see the NovaDB, which is